Hello and welcome. Today we are going to unbox and set up a BMD LC10 level controller. Your LC10 box will contain the LC10 itself, the arm, and displacer. For vertical displacer setups, it will also contain a swivel. Before we attach the arm, let's familiarize ourselves with the main components of the LC10. These components are the case, the door, the body, the pilot, the flapper bar, the fulcrum, the torque bar, the dog leg, the spring, and the upper and lower spring adapters. Now that we are familiar with the component names, let's attach the arm and displacer. For easy access, the door can be removed from the case. To attach the arm, rotate the body so you can look down the bore. Make sure the threaded hole in the shaft is oriented towards the opening in the body. If it is too far misaligned, you may need to push the dog leg up to the torque bar in order to realign it. Insert the arm into the end of the body and thread it into the shaft until it is tight. Next, thread the displacer onto the end of the arm. For a vertical displacer setup, first attach the swivel to the end of the arm, and then thread the displacer onto the swivel. Finally, make sure the arm is free to move up and down in the body. The LC10 will have been dry set at the factory, so if this is a new unit, your LC10 is now ready to be installed. If you are changing arms or displacers from the original, you may need to reset your LC10.